yung mga brownies.
Wow! Ito po yung final product. Mushroom, parang cake na brownies daw po. Mushroom cake or mushroom brownies.
Bro cake.
Brow cake. Ito, Adlay bar.
Fluffy bito siya kay Dan.
Adlay bar. Yeah, Adlay bar. Ito yung pinaprocess namin. Ito ay Adlay, ano to, Dan?
Add soy chips.
Adsoy chips. Wow.
Ang katong isa, itong work noodle.
Yeah, Adsoy
Kuha na
chips.
siya, mushroom noodles.
Ito ay mushroom noodles. Mushroom noodles. Add soy chips. One. At saka Adlay energy bar. Yun po. And then this one is mushroom
Brownies.
brownies. So, mushroom brownies. Yan. So, abangan niyo po yung final packaging namin. Thank you everyone for watching.